What do people in Zimbabwe wear? Zimbabwe's population is around 80% Shona peoples. This is followed by the Northern Ndebele and other smaller minorities. Whilst there is no national dress per se, the Shona traditional clothing historically would have featured things like nembe, which is an animal hide loincloth, duku, which is a head wrap for women, a zambia, or a wraparound skirt or dress that's made from cotton or animal hide, and a variety of intricately made beaded necklaces and bracelets. The Ndebele traditional clothing is more closely related to Zulu attire. On an everyday basis though, you will find that Zimbabwean people dress in simple, practical clothing depending on what jobs they do. Modern clothing that is on trend with the West is common, and Zimbabweans are well known for being stylish and elegant. Zimbabwe really is a visual delight for fashion lovers everywhere. Do you want to learn more about Zimbabwe? Search for SARURA Kids on YouTube today.